Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to organize tasks using Todoist sections, your comprehensive guide for 2025. If you've been struggling with keeping track of your tasks, this tutorial is perfect for you. First things first, open up your Todoist application. This could be on your phone, tablet, or computer. Now that we've done that, click on the project that you want to organize. The reason we do this is because Todoist allows you to have sections within each project, enabling you to categorize your tasks in a way that suits you best. Once you're in the project, look for the Add Section button, usually found on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on it. This helps us because it initiates the task organization process. After clicking, you'll notice a text box appear. Here, you'll input the name of the new section. For instance, if your project was office work, your sections could be emails, meetings, and assignments. Naming your sections according to the nature of tasks helps you to visually separate tasks into manageable chunks. Now that you have your sections, it's time to add tasks to them. This is as simple as dragging and dropping tasks from one section to another. Alternatively, you can create a new task directly within a section. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is in its rightful place, making it easier for you to know what you need to do and when. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is sorting your tasks according to the sections you've made. This way, you have a clear view of your tasks, neatly categorized, making it easier to focus and prioritize your work. Each section acts as a mini to-do list within your main project. Finally, you can organize tasks within each section. Just drag and drop tasks to rearrange them based on their priority. This is a handy feature that allows you to customize your workflow further. It helps you visually see the sequence in which you need to complete your tasks, thus helping you stay on top of things. To wrap it up, Todoist sections are a powerful tool to stay organized. By creating sections within your projects, naming them appropriately, and arranging your tasks within these sections, you can streamline your workflow and stay on top of your game. And that's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, stay organized, and see you in the next video.